Representation refers to the construction in any medium, especially the mass media, of aspects of reality such as people, places, objects, events, cultural identities, and other abstract concepts. Such representations may be in speech or writing, as well as still or moving pictures. A key in the study of representation concern is with the way in which representations are made to seem natural. Systems of representation are the means by which the concerns of ideologies are framed. Such systems position their subjects. Semiotics and content analysis are the main methods of formal analysis of representation. Semiotics foregrounds the process of representation. Reality is always represented what we treat as direct experience and is mediated by perpetual codes. Representation always involves the construction of reality. Representation theory. What does representation mean? The easiest way to understand the concept of representation is to remember that watching a TV program is not the same as watching something happen in real life. All media products represent the real world to us. They show us one version of reality, not reality itself. So the theory of representation in media studies means thinking about how a particular person or group of people are being presented to the audience. Audience identification. In a film, the director wants the audience to be on the side of the protagonist and hope that the antagonist will fail. This means that the audience has to identify with the protagonist. They have to have a reason to be on his or her side. But directors only have a couple of hours to make you identify with the protagonist, so they have to use a kind of shorthand. This is known as typing. Instead of each character being a complex individual who would take many hours to understand, we are presented with a typical character who we recognize quickly and feel we understand. Character typing. There are 3 different kinds of character typing. 1. An archetype is a familiar character who has emerged from hundreds of years of fairy tales and storytelling. 2. A stereotype is a character usually used in advertising and marketing in order to sell a particular product to a certain group of people. They can also be used negatively in the media, such as asylum seekers or hoodies. A generic type is a character